Hi there, this is Rista with TerraMax, and I would like to introduce to you the Independent Contractor Weekly Invoice effective January 1, 2018. But you can go ahead and use this as soon as you receive this email with the attachment of this particular form. So the reason why we have some revision, this is based on the feedback of the therapist and the back office support. So we summarize all those feedback and revise the new invoice. So in reality, when we say revision, we just added a little bit the two things here, but it's all the same. The terms is the same. The contractor's name here, the same format. We just added a copyright sentence here, and then to help out with the contractor in the back office and checking your timesheet, we added the 1 to 21 here. In that way, if whatever's your entry here, you don't need to count again here if how many entry you have. So it will help both parties. So the date of visit still, the patient name. So one visit, one entry, and then here the visit type is the same thing here on the old one, but there is a DC and B. What is this? If ever the supervisor will submit a discharge summary but it's non-billable, then we can differentiate that from the discharge summary which is billable, the DC. So DC and B it means NB means non-billable, and then I added the bonus here. The bonus is after you refer your friend, another therapist to work for the company, and after 3 months, it's time for you to get that commission, then or the referral bonus, then it's your responsibility to put here that amount, to put the therapist name here, and then you put the bonus, the amount here that is promised by your HR. So it's your responsibility to bill us for that. The next one is the per visit charge. So there is a contract price. So the original timesheet, you only have the contract price. So it's the same thing. It's a fee per visit, but we added additional fee. What is this? In case, for example, we ask you a favor, please, you live in Pearland or you live in Rosenberg, so your area of coverage for treatment is on that area. So whatever, for example, that's your area of coverage, and we ask you a favor, please, can you help us just for this week? We have a therapist going for vacation, and if you can cover the north side of Houston, we will be giving you this additional fee. So TerraMax will offer you that additional fee in case you're gonna be covering the other side of town. That's that if you don't go to that other side of town normally. So if ever we have an agreement, then it's your responsibility during the invoicing for you to add that additional fee, because if you don't add additional fee, you need to remember you talk to the staffing coordinator when you have an agreement for that additional fee. So if you submit your invoice to the invoicing side of the business and the accounting side, they need to know that agreement, and for you to be able to get paid, you need to put the fee here. Okay, so now at the end here, remember this is an invoice. An invoice is an invoice if there is a total amount here. So we will be expecting everybody who's going to be submitting their invoice to have the total amount here. Total amount here is whatever is the amount that you're charging us here on the per visit entry. So the total amount is here. So after that you put the amount, then we will verify that and we will approve that. So this is how the new invoice look like. And you have question, kindly ask the office. Especially you can call the accounting or the HR for your question and clarification. Thank you very much.